The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks like an impressive foldable phone with new AI powers wrapped in a lighter and more durable design. I also like the wider cover display and brighter main screen, but the $100 price hike could scare off some shoppers. It is finally time for a foldable phone. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung is trying to make a strong case for jumping on the folding bandwagon. At first glance, this device doesn't look much different than its predecessor, but there is actually a lot of improvements. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 sports a thinner and lighter design than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You get a slightly bigger and wider cover display that's less claustrophobic than before, and the main display is much brighter at 2600 nits. Samsung is also touting the durability improvements of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, including more robust foldable glass layers, as lots of people are afraid of foldable phones breaking. Then there is all the built-in AI stuff, including a gaggle of Galaxy AI features and easy access to Google Gemini. I had a chance to try out a bunch of these capabilities, including an impressive live interpreter app and a way to turn your S Pen scribbles into art. Unfortunately, Samsung is sharing $100 more for the Z Fold 6 as the phone's starting price has fallen to $1,899. So, is the new model worth the price hike? Here is my impression so far, along with early pros and cons for what could be the best foldable phone yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available for pre-orders now with a July 24 release date. It will be available through wireless carriers as well as retailers like Amazon, Best Buy and Samsung.com. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at $1,899 for a model with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. That's $100 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 5's starting price. The good news is that if you pre-order the Z Fold 6 from Samsung, you can get the next storage tier for the same price. So you can get 512GB for the price of the 256GB model. Otherwise, it will cost you $120 to upgrade from to 512GB and $360 to get to 1TB. Generally speaking, I am getting bored of phones with iterative upgrades from one generation to the next, but Samsung makes mostly the right moves with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I appreciate the thinner and lighter design, the wider cover display and brighter main 7.6-inch screen. I also appreciate the AI features on board the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for productivity and entertainment, even if some feel a bit gimmicky. And while it will take some time to test, the durability improvements are welcome. What I don't like is that Samsung hiked the price on the Z Fold 6 by $100. Granted, $1,799 was already very expensive, but $1,899 puts this phone even more out of reach unless you can get a sweet carrier discount. I would also like Samsung to bundle an S Pen Plus case combo and include faster charging. Stay tuned for my fully rated Galaxy Z Fold 6 review.